Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add music to your story on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right in the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to add music to your story on Facebook, let's open up our Facebook account first, or the Facebook app. And after that, let's create a story. You can see the create story option available over here on the left side of the screen. Tap on create story, and after that you will be required to enter a picture to create a story. Let's go with this one. And after that, if you want to add music to your story, you can see the music option available at the top right corner of your screen. Tap there, and after that you will need to search for the music you want. For me it will be Alan Walker's music, and let's search and done. And you can see the faded option. Tap over there, and you can see if you tap here on the music, you will be able to edit the music like this. And let's tap on done, and when you tap on share, it will be share the picture with your music. It will not play because I have muted the phone. Let's let it upload and creating a story. And let's let it load. And after that, guys, after loading, it will the story play your chosen music on your story. And there, guys, this is how you add music to your story on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.